everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a propagation vase using Perfect Cast. If at any point the video is too fast, please click on the instructional video for details on how to slow it down. For this video I am using Perfect Cast. It's very similar to plaster, but as it shows on the bag, it's 5 times harder than plaster, which is very accurate. The process for using this is very similar to that of plaster. Your base is water and the casting material. The difference is you do not need to use the wood glue to strengthen the Perfect Cast material. There are instructions with calculations on the back of this bag, but I find doing a process similar to plaster to be the easiest. The difference is I don't wait and let all of the casting materials soak into the water. I'll start off with a certain amount and then mix and continue to add, mix some more, continue to add and mix some more until I get to a consistency that is about the consistency of a little less than maple syrup. Once it reaches that consistency, then it will be ready to pour. Okay, now that we're finished mixing the casting material, next I'm going to add some pouring paint. Any acrylic paint will work. I really like these paints by Mixed Media Girl. And you just want to put enough in there to kind of halfway cover the top. I swirl it on, and I'm using 2 colors today, 2 different shades of blue just to give it some depth. And again, just swirling some on the top. Then take your stick and mix it. You don't want to mix it too much where it's actually recoloring the casting material. You want to make sure that you only swirl some so that you can keep a marbleization. Once you've done that, go ahead and pour it into the mold. And then the important thing here, just like with plaster, is to make sure that you shake the mold. Doing it in layers is the best way. That way you ensure that you're releasing the bubbles from the lower level before adding more on top. So you'll just continue this process until you actually reach the top of the mold. Once finished filling the mold, wait until the casting material has cured. This is usually ready to be demolded in an hour or 2. I think I left this one overnight, but it will reach its full hardness. At that point, you can put your test tube in, verify that the test tube does not fall out when you turn it upside down, and that is all. You are now complete and finished, and you may enjoy your handmade propagation vase. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Also click the bell if you want to be alerted to any future videos that I post.